wrong time ago in a home far, far away. I really loved my action figures. I threw them in a dumpster. Now I'm collecting them in 6-inch. This is my journey. Me so happy to have Chewbacca in my Star Wars collection. I think he's a second cousin of Bigfoot. Thank you for watching.
40th Anniversary Chewbacca, Return of the Jedi. And why do I like this one in particular? Well, let's check them out. Let's get them open. Okay, we're back. We're back with another video of the Star Wars journey here that I'm really excited to continue on having. I got Chewbacca here, like I said, the 40th Anniversary of Return of the Jedi. And here's his gun. It comes in a piece. I know him. And before I start the video, I know this has been done. I know this has kind of been an old figure. It's been out for a while, but I'm just starting to recollect my collection from when I was a kid on my favorite ones that I've had. So that's basically what this is all about. And I don't know, it's pretty cool. I think this is this Chewbacca is a little different from the original one. I think the sculpt is better. We'll get to that in a minute, but all you do is snap the front on here. This gun looks really good. The replica of him having what Chewbacca's gun usually looks like, it definitely hits it. I wish there was a little more paint apps on it. But I'm going to leave it alone, man. Leave it as it is, man. Just like when I was a kid. When you get them out of the box, you put them on your shelf and you just check them out and look at them. That's it, man. So anyway, that's the gun. I won't make this long because I know, like I said, this has been done over and over again. But I tell you, the reason why this is probably the head sculpt is the best. I think that's the best. I think that's the best Chewbacca head sculpt. I think. I've seen a few of them, but yeah, I know it has the chain around his neck. It's the one with the chain on his neck and everything, but that doesn't bother me. I still love that head sculpt. That's out of control, and everything looks good. The paint apps, the paint apps on the Black Series. I know a lot of people. A lot of people love them. A lot of people don't like them. It's been a long man. I just started this Black Series collection, so right before at the end of last year, and I should have been collecting them a long time ago, but I was kind of focused on the McFarlane Wave stuff, which I still pick up some of that stuff right now, but not so much as I used to. But this is awesome. This is crazy. Look at his face. Look at that. That's nuts. The paint apps on here are great. At least mine. This one's fantastic. I wish it was a matte on his pocketbook purse, whatever man purse you want to call it, or his Bigfoot purse. I don't know, man. It's cool. I love the way this thing looks. His feet just look like Bigfoot. I love it. It's really cool. And we're gonna do some comparisons. I don't know how well this fits in there or not, but let's see. I don't know. Well, that's weird. I don't know how this goes in. That makes no sense to me. I guess I have to... Oh, here we go. I don't know. That's kind of tough. It's kind of tough, but we'll get her in there. Jeez whiz. Man, that's tough. It's tough, but we got her. We got her, man. Got her straight in there. Look at that. Happy about the gun. Really happy with the gun. I know back in the day the guns were kind of hit and miss, kind of cheap. It's like here's a comparison right here. Look at this. Look at that. You got yourself the original Chewbacca from the original line of toys. They come a long way, man. Check it out. I love it, man. I love it. Absolutely love it, man. So there's that comparison right there. And like I said, I won't make this long because this is not like a review or anything. The articulation, you guys all know. This has been done over 1,000 times, I'm sure, on YouTube with other people getting this figure way back when and whatever like that. But I love the figure. I find it to be really good. Really, I love it, man. I love this version of Chewbacca. Gotta have Lando, a favorite of mine that ends up being a peg warmer at Aldi's and everywhere else. I don't know, but Billy D. Williams right there. There it is right there, man. That's a badass looking setup right there. That's really cool. Of course, you got to have the Sand People from the original New Hope. Really good figure here, the Sand People. Really like that one. Always love the Sand People. Always. I'm sure you guys have too. Sure you do too if you ever liked the original movies. But we're getting there. Don't worry. And I tell you, I'll save the best for last. I'll save the best for last. I'll tell you that. You'll probably say, well, what's the best? Well, watch, you'll see. I know it's silly, I know. But my 2 favorite Black Series ever, right here. I know. 2 peg warmers at Aldi's as well, and $8 on Amazon. Doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know why, but when I was younger and I seen Star Wars: The New Hope for the very first time, those are the characters I remember. I remember him going up to Luke and saying, you know, he don't like you. Luke says, well, I'll be careful. He says, you'll be dead. And that's when Kenobi cuts his damn arm off, man. How awesome is that? That is and even the comic book, I got the big giant comic book from years ago, and I still have it in great condition, the real giant one. And that's the only, I don't read books, so I just look at the pages or comic books. I only read comic books if I'm going to do it. It's been a long time. I got out of the comic book thing. I had to pick and choose what I was going to do, because things get crazy expensive, and you got to watch what you're spending your money on, because you can go silly with it. But right there, that's the classic scene right there on the turnabout. C-3PO and Chewbacca. I always thought they had a kind of a cool relationship in the movies. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This is my journey to my 6-inch Star Wars figures from the ones I've had as a kid into 3 3/4. I'm only going to pick and choose the ones I want, and the ones I've had, and well, I'll see you guys on the next one, and I appreciate whoever watches these videos, and I know they've been done over again when it comes to these older figures, and they've already been through the algorithm of YouTube, and it's okay, man. Right here, check that out. Got Chewbacca, baby Chewbacca, and big Chewbacca right there. I'll see you guys on the next one.